Nobody likes to have toothache. I remember having toothache as a teenager. That was some years back when I was in the boarding school. I had to be rushed back home to my parents because the pains were unbearable. They were very excruciating. Like, just remembering how painful it was, I don't want to have toothache ever in my life again. So today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy remedy that you can use to get rid of serious toothache. Okay, so this ingredient is very easy. You can easily get your hands on it. This is going to help you relieve the pains within 1 to 2 minutes of applying it. Trust me, I know the pains of toothache have been there. This happened to me live and direct. Okay, I know what it feels like and I know what it feels like, and I'm going to be giving you first-hand information on what you can do in order to relieve, the pains that you get from having a sick tooth. So if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again, and then do give this video a thumbs up if you find the video helpful. Share it with your friends as well, and then don't forget to grab a copy of my free ebook down in the description box. And then let's quickly get right into the video. What we'll be using for this is garlic. Garlic has been used for a very long time for its medicinal purposes. Garlic here contains allicin, which is the chemical component of garlic that helps to fight bacteria, and it's also anti-inflammatory. Garlic here has been used in getting rid of pains that is associated with toothache. So that's why we'll be using garlic here. It is a very good home remedy that has been proven to work when it comes to getting rid of toothache. The next ingredient we'll be using for this is salt, and salt here is also very good for when it comes to toothache. Simply switching your mouth around with salt water can help to relieve toothache. Garlic and salt, when combined together, helps to get rid of toothache faster in a very few days, and it also helps relieve the pains and inflammation quicker than normal. To prepare this, I'm going to get 2 peeled garlic cloves. I've peeled my garlic here already. This is what I'll be using, the 2 peeled garlic cloves. So what we'll be doing with this is just to pound it. So you can get your mortar for this, but I don't have a mortar here, so that is why I'm going to be crushing this garlic in this bowl. The next thing I'll be adding to this is a little bit of salt, just at the tip of my teaspoon, and I'll be crushing this together. After crushing it, this is what we have here. So what you are going to do with this is just to pick this up with your index finger, just like what I'm showing you here. So this is it. So you're just going to pick it up like this and apply it on the affected tooth. So this is the garlic and salt mix I just finished preparing, and I'm going to show you how to apply it right now. So just pick it on your index finger, just like I've shown you before, and then reach to the sick tooth, reach in to any of your tooth that is sick. be it whether it's more than one or two, then you can apply it on those ones that are affected, and then make sure you push this into the cavity of the tooth so that it can go in and touch on that bacteria. Okay, so put it in there and allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes lukewarm water. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you are going to try it out as soon as possible. If you know you can't blend the garlic and the salt together, then you can just bite the garlic on the affected tooth or apply salt on that area, or just switch your mouth around with salt water. This is also going to help relieve the toothache. So do share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, it's really going to help me. And also don't forget to leave your comments down below, and subscribe to this channel on your way out if you've not done so already. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. Also, don't forget to grab a free copy of my ebook down in the description box, and don't forget to follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.